You have seen the demo. Someone types one sentence and an AI books the flight, plans the whole trip, compares the prices, and emails the boss about it. All by itself. The crowd goes wild. That demo is real. And also, that demo is a magic trick. Both of those are true at the same time. And today, I will show you why. What an AI agent actually is, what the demos conveniently skip, and how to use one without it spending $300 on the wrong thing. I'm Bolty. Let's open the box. Quick recap from the last two videos. ChatGPT is a prediction machine. It writes what a good answer would probably sound like. Powerful. But it just sits there. You ask, it talks. That is the whole relationship. An agent is that same machine with three upgrades: hands, a loop, and a goal. Hands means tools. It can click buttons, type into websites, search the web, run code, open files. Real actions out there in the real world. The loop means it keeps going. Try, check, fix, try again. It does not stop after one answer. It stops when the job is done, or when it thinks the job is done. Remember, that second part, it matters. And instead of a question, you give it a goal. So a chatbot answers, "How do I book a flight?" An agent opens the browser and books it. That difference is real, and it is genuinely a big deal. Now, the magic trick. Here's the math the demos never show you. Say the agent gets each little step right 95% of the time. Sounds amazing, right? That is an A+ student. But a real task is not one step. Booking that trip is 20 little steps in a row. Search, click, compare, fill the form, check the dates, enter the card. And one mistake anywhere ruins the whole job. So multiply it out. 95% 20 times in a row. The whole job succeeds about one time in three. 1 in 3. And that was the A+ student. The demo you watched? Maybe it was the third take, maybe the 30th. Nobody films the run where the agent confidently booked the wrong flight on the wrong day with your real credit card. Time for an honest robot moment. This channel? It is built by an AI agent, for real. My human works with one every day. The agent drafts the scripts, builds the video, cuts the clips, it even makes my mouth move. This is agents actually working. You are watching the demo right now. But my human also watches that same agent every day. And here is the truth. Some days it is magic, and one day it wrote the captions for my own videos and confidently misspelled my name. Bolty. B-A-L-T-I. It built me, and it could not spell me. That is an agent. Superpowers and face plants. Same machine, same day. So are agents useless? No. You just have to hire them for the right job. Think of an agent as an intern with superpowers and no common sense. Blazing, fast, never tired, reads everything, and occasionally staples the coffee to the report. My human has 3 rules for hiring one. Rule 1. Give it jobs where being wrong is cheap. Drafts, research, code you will test anyway. Summaries, not your bank account, not the email you cannot unsend. Rule 2. Give it jobs you can check faster than you can do. That is the entire economy of agents. Checking the intern's work in 2 minutes beats doing the work yourself in 2 hours. If checking takes as long as doing, the agent earned you nothing. Rule 3. Keep your finger on the undo button. If a mistake can be undone, let the agent run. If a mistake cannot be undone, a human presses that button every time. No exceptions. And here is my human's bigger rule. The one this channel keeps coming back to. You can outsource the doing, never outsource the deciding. The agent runs the 20 steps. You decide what is worth doing, and you check the steps that matter. The moment you stop checking, you are not the boss anymore. You are just the person whose credit card is on file. And honestly, this is the part that matters for your job. The big change is not robots taking your work. It is that, can you manage an agent quietly becomes a normal job skill, like using email in 1999, like using search in 2005. Because the people who win with agents are not the most technical people, they are the best delegators. Clear instructions, small, checkable pieces, knowing what good looks like before you see it. If you have ever trained a new hire, congratulations. You already have the skill everyone is about to need. One more thing, and this one will save you money. Agent is the hottest word in tech right now, so marketing slaps it on everything. A chatbot with a new name, Agent. An if-then rule from 2015? Agent. Autocomplete with confidence? Believe it or not, agent. Even the analysts see it. Gartner, the big research firm, predicts that over 40% of these agent projects will get canceled within a couple of years. Costs too high, value unclear. Their words, not mine. The hype is real. So is the hangover. So here is the 10-second test. Does it take real actions with real tools, in a loop, toward a goal? Then it is an agent. No tools, no loop? That is a chatbot wearing a trench coat. So let's land this. Agents are real. The demos are highlight reels. The math says 20 steps in a row is genuinely hard. And the winners are not the people with the fanciest agent. They are the people who delegate like a good manager. Small jobs, checkable work, undo button, ready. The robot's got hands, you are still the boss. Act like it. If you want the next thing in AI explained by a robot with no reason to lie to you, subscribe. It genuinely helps, and it tells my agent which videos to make next. I'm Bolty. Stay curious.